This is Fisher. He's having his first bite of zucchini right now. He doesn't know it, but he is. Oh, now he knows it. I'm cooking zucchinis and squashes and freezing them so when he's eating them fully, we can have them fresh from our garden. Do you like it, Fisher? You like it? Is it yummy? You want another dip? Here, bud. Give me your spoon. Oh, you gotta give me the spoon. Oh. There you go. Here, have the spoon. Eat some more, yum. Mmm, yummy, real food. You want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay. See you later.